Setting up a booking page for freelance consultations is a game changer, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do it. This process will help you streamline your bookings and start securing clients with ease. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a professional booking page to book consultations without all the back and forth. First, let's talk about why you need a booking page. As a freelancer, it's essential to have a simple way for potential clients to schedule consultations with you. Without one, you're missing out on convenience, and it's harder to manage your time effectively. This tool will make your freelance business look more professional, help you avoid scheduling conflicts, and save you time. Now let's dive into the steps. The first thing you need to do is choose your booking software. I've tried many popular platforms out there, but I've found a solution that's incredibly user-friendly, easy to integrate with your calendar, and customizable to fit your needs. You'll get exclusive access to a free trial of this software through the link in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Once you've signed up for the software, the next step is setting up your profile. Enter all the basic information about your business, your name, your services, and your pricing. This is the first thing potential clients will see, so make it professional. You can even add a picture or your logo to make it more personal. Now, we need to set up the actual consultation times. You can customize the hours you're available, set buffer times between meetings, and even block off certain dates when you're unavailable. This feature ensures that no one will book over your personal time or back-to-back meetings, which is key to maintaining balance in your schedule. Next, create your consultation types. Consultation. Depending on your business, you may offer different types of sessions, like a free intro call or a paid deep dive consultation. In this software, you can easily set up multiple types of bookings, each with its own pricing and duration. This is great for offering flexibility to clients. Once your consultations are set up, you'll want to integrate payment options. You can easily connect PayPal or Stripe to your account, which means clients can pay directly when they book a session. This integration streamlines your process and ensures you're paid in advance, reducing the risk of no-shows. Now let's talk about sharing your booking page. You can link it directly to your website or social media platforms. The software allows you to generate a link that you can send directly to clients. This makes booking quick and easy, with no back and forth required. Here's the key takeaway. Setting up a booking page for freelance consultations is all about saving time, staying organized, and providing a professional experience for your clients. It eliminates the hassle of scheduling conflicts and makes the entire process easier for both you and your clients. Quick revision of what we covered. Choose your software, set up your profile, configure your availability and consultation types, integrate payment options, and share your booking link. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a fantastic opportunity to follow along and set up your own booking page today. Thanks for watching.